Hi everybody, welcome to my video today. I am excited to share with you guys another simple card using a fun technique. We have circled all the way back to monochromatic cards, and so that's what I'm going to be making for you today. We are going to be using the Peaceful Moments stamp set, which is part of the Perfect Poppies suite. This is bundled together with this die right here. So you can get this together as a bundle. The die set right now is on back order, but it will be available like as soon as next week. So if you want to go ahead and order, there'll be a message that will pop up that will say, oh, one of your items is on back order, but no worries. It's not on back order for like months. It's on its way to the warehouse and it will be there like next week and then it'll ship out. So you can still order it, but there will be a little delay in getting your dies. So just so you know. So this is a great set. I love all of this. I'm just diving into using the Peaceful Poppies. You're going to see a lot of it this month from me because I am doing a lot of projects with it and I love it. I have more designer paper coming my way because I've used so much of it, and then also my stamp club is going to be featuring this product here. So we're going to be using Pool Party as our color, and then we're going to be using some of the designer paper, and then the best thing is we're going to be using this set here, and let me show you what this is because this is also my ordering special for February. If you spend $75 with me and you use the host code, you will get a celebration item. So you get a free celebration item whenever you spend $50 or more. So you'll get to pick out a free item, and then with that $75 order, I'm gonna send you this pack because I did not know how amazing this was until I actually got it and opened it up. And I never would have purchased it. I actually got it as a gift. And I was like, oh, okay, like, that's like, you know, it's a free gift, so that's great. It goes with the stuff. I'll check it out. Then I opened it up and started using it. And I was like, holy moly, I didn't know that it was like this. So these are actually a little thicker chipboard piece. Along with these, there is some vellum pieces. So it is vellum, and then the printing on it is white. So it's so pretty. And there's some watercolor paper and some watercolor pieces, and they are stamped on, like the image is stamped clear, so it will resist, like when you watercolor on it, it will resist the watercolor. So that's amazing. So spend $75 with me, use the host code, and I will send you this for free. So that's amazing. Okay, so then the other thing that I want to share with you really quickly before we dive into our project, we're going to be using this and the designer paper. One of the celebration items that goes really well with this set of paper, the poppy paper, is the Golden Honey designer paper, and you can get this paper for free when you place that $50 order. It's one of the celebration items. On one side, it has the bee and the gold foil, but on the other side, they're just black and white designs, and it goes amazing with this poppy Perfect Poppies items. So tomorrow, February 4th, we have some brand new product that is coming out. It is the coordination product release, and there's a whole bunch of product here that coordinates with product we already have. So we have some like the ladybug dies. So if you have the ladybug stamp set, when you place a $300 order, you get the ladybug stamp set for free. There are dies that coordinate with that. There are dies that coordinate with the special day stamp set. So the cute little raccoon, there are dies that coordinate with that. There is a die that coordinates with the birthday stamp set. So that's fabulous. I love these dies. And then there's some designer paper. And this coordinates with the punches. It coordinates with the umbrella punch, the heart punch, and the tulip punch. So those are all coming out tomorrow. There will be a supply list in the link below. And then on my website, you will see these. And then on my Facebook page, I have shared that as well. So that's all coming out tomorrow on February 4th. So let's go ahead and get started making our card now that we've chatted. This is a monochromatic card that we're going to be making, and that simply means we're going to be using one color, and we're going to do like some tone on tone effect. And it's not just one color. You don't only have to use one color, but the majority of the card is going to have the same color on it. So let me turn some lights on so you can see how beautiful this pool party color is. One of my favorite colors. And we're going to just stamp a sentiment with that. And then let me show you what I have here. So I have a card base. It is a pool party card base. And I have cut this. Cardstock was at 8.5 by 11. And I cut it at 4 1/4. And then I folded it at 5.5. And that gives me a standard card. This is from the Peaceful Poppies designer paper. It is 2.5 inches by 5.5. And for this, we are just going to put this flat down. Either side of this would work. This is really pretty as well, but we're going to use this. We'll layer that down. Now I've taken my Stitched So Sweetly dies, and I want to layer this. I mean, we could layer it either way. Let's see, depending on what you want. I think we'll do wishing. Yeah, we'll do wishing you every happiness this special day will bring. And we are going to stamp that. I'm going to do a test stamp. So sometimes if I need to test stamp something, I'm wondering if this is going to show up really well. Let's stamp this not in Pool Party. I feel like it doesn't show up as well. Let's stamp it in Poppy Parade. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean my stamp using my stamp scrub. And then we'll do this with Poppy Parade. I feel like that will show up better. And nobody will know we tested it out on the back there. So I'm going to try to stamp this nice and straight without getting my head in the way. My Poppy Parade needs to be re-inked, apparently. Okay, so now for this part, I want to pop this piece up. So I'm just going to grab some fun foam piece that I have. And then I'm going to take a couple of these little chipboard pieces from that set, and we're going to add them here. And I think I'm just going to add them flat since I popped up where the sentiment is. And I'm just going to add these to the corner. And this is a really simple card, but look how beautiful it looks with the stitching on there and then these pieces. And you didn't even have to do anything. Like, they're already done, which is amazing. So now for this, what I would want to do is add a little bit of pizzazz to the card, to the envelope. Now this is my absolute favorite piece in here. I just love this piece. And so you could add it to the inside if you have, I have a set of dies that will allow me to add an envelope liner, but a lot of times what I like to do is just add it to the flap. So I'm just adding adhesive to that flap. You can't get simpler than this. And then take your scissors and just follow the line. Have an envelope to go with your card. So I love the way that turned out. I love this color. It looks beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed making this card, and I will chat with you guys on Wednesday when I share with you my club projects for this month. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will chat with you later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.